Artificial intelligence has rapidly evolved from a futuristic concept to a tangible reality shaping our world. From self-driving cars to personalized healthcare, AI systems are revolutionizing industries and influencing our daily lives. But behind this technological marvel lies a critical factor often overlooked: data. Data acts as the lifeblood of AI, the very foundation upon which these intelligent systems learn, adapt, and make decisions. Just like a child learns from experiences and instructions, AI systems learn from the data they are trained on. The quality of this data is paramount. It directly impacts the accuracy, reliability, and effectiveness of the entire AI system. Imagine building a house on a foundation of sand. No matter how strong the structure, it will inevitably crumble. Similarly, an AI system built on poor quality data is bound to produce unreliable and potentially harmful outcomes. The future of AI hinges on our ability to provide clean, reliable, and unbiased data. The integrity of data used in AI is crucial, as any flaws can have cascading effects on the system's output. Poor data manifests in various forms, each posing unique challenges to the reliability and effectiveness of AI. One common issue is incomplete data, where crucial information is missing or inadequately recorded. Inaccurate data, plagued by errors and inconsistencies, presents another significant hurdle. These errors can mislead the AI algorithms, resulting in inaccurate predictions and unreliable outcomes. Outdated data poses a different challenge, rendering AI models obsolete in a rapidly changing world. Including irrelevant data introduces unnecessary noise, making it harder for the algorithms to discern meaningful patterns. Finally, biased data, reflecting existing societal prejudices, presents a significant ethical concern. AI systems trained on such data risk perpetuating and even amplifying these biases, leading to discriminatory outcomes. The consequences of using poor quality data in AI systems are far-reaching, impacting not only the accuracy of their outputs, but also having significant real-world implications. One of the most immediate and concerning consequences is the potential for distorted predictions and incorrect decisions. When AI algorithms are trained on flawed or incomplete data, their ability to make accurate predictions is severely compromised. This can lead to poor decision-making in various domains, from financial investments to medical diagnoses, with potentially harmful consequences. Beyond inaccurate predictions, poor data quality can also lead to the reinforcement of societal biases. If the data used to train an AI system reflects existing prejudices, the system is likely to perpetuate and even amplify these biases in its output.